video. It's another beautiful Friday morning, and of course, if you have been following my training videos for this week, you will notice that we've been discussing more on spikes trading, most especially on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you have missed my training videos, you can go back to the channel. I've created quite a lot of them on spikes trading, so you can go through them and see how you can take advantage of the market. Okay, here is the part 1, and right the part 2, and of course this is the part 3, so you can take advantage of this market and use it to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, but before I go fully into today's video, let me quickly say this: we will also be looking at spikes trading, and of course in a different dimension. We will be looking at how we can trail up the spikes trading from the beginning of the trend to the very end of it. It is possible, and it is even easier that way, because we're going to lock up our profit while we are expecting it to spike more and more till the very end of the trend. But before you can do that, you must be sure of one major thing. Okay, you must be sure of one major thing, and that stuff is what I will be revealing to you in this video. So just stay tuned. In a little while you will know more about it. Okay, before I go fully into that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. You all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we will be looking at how we can trade spikes without any hiccups. Okay, most especially how we can trail it up even on 30 minutes time frame. So the first thing you need to do, the first thing you need to be sure of, which is the major thing which I want to focus on, is the trend. You need to be very sure of the trend. Once you are sure of the trend, you will be able to milk the market alongside with it. Okay, if you are not sure of the trend, then you're going to find it difficult to milk the market with it. So all these are very, very important. So if you are able to put all these together, then it is very sure that you will be able to milk the market alongside with the trend. So this is very, very important. So that is what we'll be focusing more in this video. So like I said, there is one thing you need to take note of. Okay, that is the major thing, which is the trend. Okay, that is very, very important. So quickly, let me quickly remove the horizontal lines. Okay, and I will tell you why the trend is very, very important. Once you are sure of the trend, the first thing is you need to be sure of the exact trend to trade these assets. Okay, once you are sure of the exact trend to trade the assets, the spikes in whatever assets you want to trade, then definitely you also need to be sure of, you will know the right trend to trade it, so you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. For instance, the best trend to trade the spikes in boom is when the market is going on uptrend. Okay, and it usually come from the major support zone. Okay, and the best time to trade the spikes in crash is when the market is going on down, and it usually starts from the major resistance zone. Once you are sure of all these, then you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. So for instance, right here is a major support region. Okay, it's a major support region. We are on boom 1030-minute time frame. So right here we should know that the trend is changing or will be changing any moment from here, okay? And this is where the trend changed, okay? And it changed from a downtrend into an uptrend. So the spike started from here. So let's say you place your order right here, and I'm going to show you how you can trail it up. You can see the trend started from here and ended right here. How do you know if it's going to go this long? You can imagine you can be in the market right from the beginning of the trend from here till the very end of the trend. Okay, you guys might be thinking, what if there is a pullback? What is it? There is a sudden reversal in price action. That is what I want to explain to you in this video. Check it out. This is where you should exit generally if you want to follow the trend to the very end. Okay, this is where you should exit. So I'm going to give it a red color. Okay, if you want to follow the trend to the very end, this is where you should exit. But let's see, what if there is a sudden pullback or a sudden reversal in price action? Once I lose out of the profit or probably lose my capital, or what if it didn't get to this place before it pulls back? It happens like that once in a while, most especially whenever there is a major news going on around the world. Things like that can happen, so there are ways to go about it. Okay, it is always risky when you leave your trade open right from the beginning just because you feel that it should get to this region before there will be a major reversal in price action. It is still risky. You leave it open. Anything can happen. Any major news can pull up some stunts within the market that can get your fingers burnt. Okay, so this is what you do. Okay, I'm going to introduce another horizontal line, and this time around I'll make it white line. Okay, let me make it white. Okay, guys, let's say this is your current price action. It started from here. It was going up and down, and this time around it spiked up and kept on spiking up till it got to this level. Okay, remember this is 30 minutes time frame. If you are trading and you've traded within here to this region, you should be in a lot of profit, but you can make more profit than what you have made already. You can make more profit than what you have made already. So how do you do that without losing your profits or even your capital? The next thing you need to do is to bring in your stop loss. Okay, you bring in your stop loss. I'm going to give this one a magenta color. Okay, a magenta color. So your magenta color, the magenta colored horizontal line is going to be our stop loss. So how do you position your stop loss? You divide the entry point and the current point, where the current price action is. You divide it into two equal halves and put your stop loss right there. Do you know what that is going to do? That will help you to be in the market with the profit between your entry point and the current price action, which is the white line. All these are your profit because the market is in profit already. But out of your profits, locked up half of the major profits. You've locked it up because from this stop loss to where your entry point is the profit which you have locked up, which means if there is anything, any major news that is affecting the market, okay, any major news that is affecting the market, and there is a sudden reversal in price action, or probably due to market forces there is a sudden reversal in price action and it goes below your stop loss. Once it is getting to your stop loss, okay, the markets will close automatically. So your profit between your stop loss and your entry point will go straight to your balance. The only profit you will be losing is the one that is above your stop loss, that is from here to the current action price. I believe you heard that right, and this is what I expect you to do. You can see the current action price got to this region, came back a bit, reduce your profit a bit, because you are risking the profit between the stop loss and the current action price. That is the only profit you risking. Okay, came down and it went up again, came down, went up and up and up till it got to this region. At that stage, I expect you to adjust your stop loss to the middle. This is the middle. Okay, to the middle. At that stage, you've locked up more profit for yourself. You can see that you've locked up more profit for yourself. So whatever happens in the market, even when you are sleeping, will still put you in profit. The only thing you can lose is the profit between your stop loss and the current action price. You heard that right. The profit between the stop loss and the entry point is locked up for you. So even if the price action should go below your stop loss, once it gets to your stop loss, the profit will be taken out of the market immediately. The trade will close for you immediately. Okay, but this can still go down and down, but you won't be in the market again. And the profit between here and here will be in your balance already. Okay, so check it out. It came down. You can see it came down till it got to this region, just at the top of where the stop loss is, but it didn't get to the stop loss, then went back up again till it got to this region. So what should you do? I expect you to adjust your stop loss again in order to increase the profit margin between your entry point and your stop loss. That way you are making so much profit. Okay, you are making so much profit at that point. So it pulls back, went up, pulls back, went up, pulls back. This time around got to this region. So as it is moving, I'm expecting you also to trail it up with your stop loss. Always adjust your stop loss to the middle. Okay, if it moves up and there is enough distance, there is enough space for you to adjust to in order for you to get to the middle, do that. If it moves towards the stop loss, do not adjust your stop loss to the middle. No, let it move up and give you more room to adjust your stop loss to the middle, because you want to make more profit right here on this chart. Okay, that is the most important aspect of it. But check it out, as it is moving up, how you are adjusting the stop loss to the middle. So in this chart, on this chart, as we are seeing it, the current action price didn't get, though it was pulling back, but at every point where it was pulling back, it didn't get to the it didn't get to the stop loss. Okay, so this time around it got to this region called the resistance zone, and if you should check the trend indicator, it shows that at that stage the trend should be coming to an end and it will be starting a downtrend right from there. So since it didn't get to the stop loss, all you need to do is to close your trade right here and claim your 100% profit at that particular point. But if it had gotten to the stop loss, then definitely you will be losing some part of the profit, but you will be closing with enough profit in your balance. This is how sweet this is. Okay, it is very easy for us to do, most especially whenever we are trading spikes. Okay, so make sure you get it right. The first thing you need to get right is your trend. When you are in your right trend, then you will be able to do this successfully without any issue. Then the next thing you need to get right is your entry points. Okay, once you know your entry point, then it will be cool for you, and definitely you shouldn't use 1 minute time frame. It is always risky that way. I prefer you using 30-minute time frame, since we are using 30-minute time frame right here in the video. So you can use 30-minute time frame, you can use 15 minutes also, you can also use 5 minutes, but 30 minutes is what we are focusing on, and we've been doing this for the past few days right now. So you can do this and do this over and over again. So guys, it's all has to do with you perfecting your trade by practicing with this on your demo account. So what I want you guys to do is just to go back to your chart, have this set up on your chart, try to identify the right trend, then I'll try to get in, place your order at the beginning of the trend, then scale up till you are able to get to the end of the trend, or probably till the current action price hits your take profit. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.